Hey guys, this is Fire Electric here. I'm gonna get a new puppy tomorrow. I'm kind of sleepy. It's 10:27 in the middle of the night. I need to go to bed. But this video is just gonna be, I don't know, about a minute long. New puppy tomorrow. Golden Retriever. Gonna be named Spyro. Gonna be a boy. You know, like Kid Rock. Yeah, we're going to the pound. Going to Petland. Or going to PetSmart. See if we can't find a dog. Anyways, I'll be making a vlog. It's called a vlog. I'm just gonna say vlog. I'm gonna make a vlog tomorrow. I just finished watching Tabascus. It's basically I want to talk about. Oh yeah, Xbox broke. I'm going tomorrow to get it fixed. But yeah, I'm gonna have a busy day tomorrow. But I'm gonna do some vlogging. Don't worry. Later.